Let's make pancakes. First, we need eggs. Can you see them? Good. Now milk and flour. Let's turn this on. Be careful when doing them. Now, let's put our clean pan on the fire. Careful. Nice and steady. Now let's add some butter. Listen to that sizzle. Hear that? Pour in your butter slowly and allow it to cook. That is nice and easy. Look! It's bubbling! That means it's cooking! Ready to flip? Let's do it! F-L-I-P.
Flip.
The pancake is ready. Let's dish it.
Thanks for joining me to make these pancakes. I hope you'll try this at home, Vi. They're so yummy. See you next time. Bye.